Hello viewers, I heartily welcome you to Success Formula for You. I am so delighted to come out with a series of videos related to the development of your skills needed to excel in interviews. I am sure all of you will be knowing some of the most common interview questions that will be definitely be raised at the time of an interview. In spite of knowing the probable interview questions, yet it has to be planned well in advance if you want to be shortlisted for appointment. I am going to tell you some tricks to handle one of the most important and very common interview question. Tell me about yourself. The same question may be raised in any one of the following ways, like tell me about yourself, run me through your resume, take me through your resume. Let me first tell you what is it that we will discuss now. We are going to discuss why this question is being asked and how to answer this tricky question, what not to say and how to say it, and a few sample answers that you can use to answer this question. Now, let me tell you why this question is being raised. Most important question that you will confront in any interview, and the way you answer is going to decide the tone during the entire interview process. The very reason why they ask you this question is they want to know what is your level of confidence, what is your attitude, the way you express yourself, and to observe your body language and your communication skills. So, you have to be very careful in answering to this question. Thus, it is very important for you to be well prepared for answering this question. And if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Having been understood why such a question is so commonly raised, let me tell you what you should do and what you should not do. Answering this question, you have to provide them a reason why you will be more apt when compared to any other candidate. One thing that you should bear in mind is that keep your introduction as professional as possible and do not include any personal information unnecessarily. We all know that the first impression is the best impression, and you should try to answer this question to create a good impression about you in the minds of the interview panel members. To do this successfully, you need to be prepared with a well structured answer, highlighting your relevant education and the professional qualities that you possess. Now, let me tell you how to start answering this question. So, first of all, greet them with a gentle smile. Be very confident, have a good eye contact with the interviewer, and with a smile, say, thank you for shortlisting me for this interview. Avoid using the word myself and do not use Mr. or Miss. Instead of that, use your full name. For example, you can start with, my name is K. Sangeeta. I am pursuing. I am a recent graduate from. Or you can say, I have recently completed my graduation in commerce. Or else you can say like this, I have completed a bachelor's degree in commerce with specialization in professional accounting from Bharatiyar University. If you have already worked with some other firm, then give a short summary of your work history, the firm in which you have worked, the job title, years of experience in that role that you possess, the major responsibilities that you have shouldered, etc. And at the concluding part, you should make it clear to them why are you applying for this job and on what basis you are the right fit for this job. And while answering this question, please note that if there are more members in the interview panel, you should not look at just one person. Look at everyone around them. Smile, relax yourself, and reflect yourself to be a confident and an enthusiastic person. Suppose you are a fresher. Say, hello, sir. Good morning. First of all, thank you for shortlisting me for this interview. My name is Raghavi. I have pursued my graduation in commerce from Bharatiyar University with distinction, and I am a person who always wanted to take up a job in the accounts department so that I can apply my knowledge that I have gained over the years. I am good at accounting, but as a fresher, I do not have much exposure to the practical accounting practices. I am a very passionate person to work to the best of my knowledge, and my goal is to build a successful career as an accounts head that will help myself and the organization for which I work. My strength are my positive attitude, punctuality, interpersonal skills, and managerial acumen. I am a quick learner and am ready to take up any challenge required to perform the job in a better way. Suppose you are a person who has already worked in some firm, then don't say, my boss was too bad and all my colleagues don't cooperate with me, etc. etc. Avoid any negative thoughts that you may have in mind. Instead of that, just say, I am quite happy with my current job, but I am looking for a more productive role that suits my skills and abilities to grow further. Or you can say, I am looking for a career upgradation, and that's why I wish to try in your company, which has good career prospects. So, when you say this sentence, there you have convinced the interviewer. So, I always keep up my commitments and strive to do my best at any cost. This is also another sentence that you can add. Instead of the previous sentence, you can also say, I am a person who is keen to prove myself as an asset to the organization which employs me. I give my full efforts to achieve my goals in spite of any hardship that I have to undergo along the way. I am always looking for ways to improve myself. I am always straightforward at times and sometimes it hurts people, but I am working on that and I'm sure I will definitely overcome that soon. So you don't have to speak all the above sentences. You just listen to the above sentences, choose which sentence you're comfortable with, and then you can include in your intro preparation. And while you speak, don't be too conscious about your accent or the style with which you're speaking. Okay? You are watching Success Formula for you. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon just right to it. Hope you got a very clear idea of how to answer to this crucial question, and I am planning to come out with separate videos about how you should attempt the interview, how to handle other important questions as well, what are the qualities that you can include in your strength and weakness, etc. So here I am with a lots of bonus tips for you. The first tip that I would like to tell you is when you are asked to sit, take care that you do not place your bag or your mobile on the table, that you do not lean over the table before the interviewer gets started. So put your mobile in silent mode. Always carry a few copies of your resume. Focus only on the relevant information pertaining to that job. Suppose, say, you did not understand. You can very well say, could you please repeat, sir? So that way you can handle. And another important tip that I wanted to give you is you have to be well prepared for this answering this question. This question may seem to be a very simple one, but it needs to be prepared and practiced several times. So hope all of you found it interesting. Support me by just clicking on the subscribe button and the bell button to watch more videos. Before I conclude my video, what I would like to say is that just prepare a final draft for how to answer this question. If you experience any difficulty, you place your comments in the comment box so that I will share a few sample answers for this question in my next video. Thank you. And please do not forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon as well to get regular updates on more and more videos which will motivate and inspire you to build up your career in a successful way.